Hello, in this lesson I want you to recognize and use relationships between arcs and chords, and I want you to recognize and use the relationship between arcs, chords, and diameters. We're going to start here by taking a look at, we've got this circle where you've got two arcs that are congruent to each other. Because these two arcs are congruent to each other, we know their central angles are congruent. And we know the radii of the circles are congruent. So what happens is these two triangles are congruent by side angle side. So by CP, CTC, the chords are congruent, and that's our theorem. Our theorem says that in the same circle are congruent circles. If the arcs have the same measure, then the chords have the same measure. So if we take a look at example 1 here, I've got this circular piece of jade that's hung from a chain by two wires wrapped around the stone, JM and KL, and we're told they're congruent. And the measure of KL is 90 degrees. So what's the measure of JM? Well, if the two chords are the same, the two arcs are the same, so JM, the measure of JM, is going to be 90 degrees.